Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download all your music and all your videos from Google and YouTube with one simple website. You type in MP3 Shark in Google and then just wait. My Wi-Fi wasn't that good, so it took me a while. But yeah, here we go. You simply go into the website and you just convert a link. So I'm gonna go to YouTube right now. And just go on a random video. Just gonna copy the link, so click on copy, and then they say copy link. You copy the link, head back into the website, paste it, and then you just convert it and you wait. It's pretty simple, but you can do this with videos, with music. It's a pretty cool feature. Not everybody knows about this, so yeah. Then you just wait, it will convert the video. And as you can see, now you can download it or send it to Dropbox or convert another video. After that, they'll redirect you to like a sort of ad, and you just need to get out of that and leave it because it's already downloading. As you can see, it's already downloading. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. It means a lot to me. Please don't forget to like.